Boys and girls, how you doing? Today we'll be making super lemonade. Ethan style. See, what you want to do is, we soul cooking today, so I don't know how much this is, and just be like, ah, you know what I mean? Like, it's a good amount, like, yeah. You throw that to the side, you know? Good shit, you know? It's fucking disgusting. And then you take your sugar, you know, fuck the spoon. Like, real shit. Just, right? And just be like, I don't know how much you can do the measurements if you want. Like it's not gonna come out right. The key ingredient is the hot water. Steam, you see the steam off the water? Check that steam out. Ah, motherfucker, that hurt. Pour that bitch in there like blow. See, it's a little watery at the top, but it still needs to be at the bottom. Take your slotted spoon, you know, your joints right there, and just be like, cooking, what? Cooking. Good. See, by the time you finish, if the spoon is in the middle, you shouldn't be able to see it from the side. See what I mean? That's how you tell you got some good shit. Get that over to the side. You probably don't need that again. Because like most of the people, you make mistakes when you cook. So you take this and you get. See that? That's not good. That's not good. I fucked up some. Even the best fucked up. Take your sugar and just blah. Yeah. You do the measurements again if you want. And then you go back to cooking. Just arm out, bounce with it. You take a bigger one because you shouldn't have fucked up the second time. You're doing it right. You followed the video. God damn it, that's some good shit. You got yourself some super lemonade. You can cook this up, throw some vodka in here, you can go taste shit. And that's how you make it. Sign out.